Okay, so now we're going to jump down to the next part of step 2, which is drawing the 1/8 inch diameter axles. They have an 1/8 inch radius, but we're going to use, an 1/8 inch diameter, but they have a 1/16 inch radius. And once we create this circle, we're going to push-pull. We're going to make sure that the axles actually extend out 3/16 of an inch from each eye screw. So just watching, this will make a little bit more sense in the video. So let me jump into my drawing. I've drawn all my eye screws from the last video. So here's where I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. So once again, I have these guide points, which are nice. Now I once again need green, so I can either just rotate, get the right orientation, click once, and just move. I'm going to type in 1/16. Okay, so there I have that. I'm going to hit P for push-pull. I'm actually going to push-pull this basically all the way to the next guide. Okay, one thing you'll notice is that the axles are kind of somewhat inside the eye hook, but that's fine. Now I'm going to hit P for push-pull again. I'm going to click once, and this time I'm going to move out. I'm going to specifically type in a number. I'm going to type in 3/16. Okay, and what that did for me is the axle just extends just past the edge of the chassis. So once again, let me jump over here, click once, just move out and type in 3/16. Okay, so let's draw that second axle here on the front. So once again, it was C for circle. Remember, if you don't get the green axis, just find a green face, hold down your shift key, keep it held down, click once on that guide. You can now let go of the shift key if you like. Just move in the direction you want the circle to be drawn. I'm going to type in 1/16. That was the radius. It gives me an 1/8 inch diameter circle. P for push-pull. Click once. And even though I'm in the push-pull mode, I can actually hold down my wheel on my mouse and it kind of snaps back to push-pull. I'm going to stop right there on that guide. Now, once again, let's extend these out about a 3/16 of an inch. So I'm going to click once, just move in the direction you want to push-pull, 3/16. And then jump over here, click once, 3/16. Okay, another part we'll add to this. I'll just draw one of these, which are the washers. You'll find in the instructions, we're going to go to the end of these axles. We're going to make an 1/8 inch radius, and then we're actually going to end up making the washers 1/32 of an inch in thickness. So remember, 1/8 inch radius. So let's jump over here. I'll just do one of these. C for circle. To find the center of the circle, you just hover, hover, hover. Click once, and move out. And type in 1/8, which gives me actually a 1/4 inch. As you can see, a 1/4 inch circle. I'm going to hit P for push-pull. I'm actually going to pull this out 1/32. Now, something I like to do, just to make it a little bit easier for the following step, is I'm actually going to take the center of this axle. I'm going to push-pull it out as well, and to make sure it's on the same plane, if I touch any part of this washer, it'll stop. Okay, let me do that one more time. Let me jump to the other side. C for circle, hover, 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 find center, click once, move outward. I'm going to type in 1/8, gives us a 1/4 inch diameter circle. P for push-pull, come out 1/32, and then we'll do the same thing here. We'll click on that inner axle and just touch any part of this face. There we have our washers. Okay, so we'll do that also for the back axle as well. Save your work, and then we'll watch the next video.